Now I introduce out the new cables. This model, you can see these models is the 4-in-1 cables just released this month. You can see this design, and the material is the aluminum alloys and the nylon brace. It can ensure the good quality. And second, this model have the running and the colorful lights when it's charging your phone. Here have the lights function, and I can show you. See here, when we charging, yeah, it will have the light, and also have the both side. The light will be changed. And this also supports the different model like the USB to Lightning and USB to Type-C. And this one is the Type-C to Type-C. Also can Type-C to Lightning, supports the different mobile phones charging. And also supports the fast charging solution. Choose Miccell, enjoy innovation.